Oil pastel drawing sparrow in flight. Draw the sparrow's tail and body shape. Draw the right wing. Adjust the length of the wing. Draw the neck, beak, and head. Adjust proportion as needed. Draw the eye and eye stripe. Draw the belly and chest. Use light colors to create form and shape. Use darker colors to add details and texture. Use broad strokes to create basic form. Use the side of the oil pastel to add more detail. Draw the sparrow's legs and feet. Mix dark and light browns to add texture. Start blending the colors together. Add black or navy blue to add more values and hues. Add black to the iris of the eye and stripe around the eye. Add black to bring out the feathers. Add black to the legs and feet. Use broad light green strokes for the background. Start using darker green to add some contrast. Use strokes in many directions to give it a natural look. Use yellow to blend and add highlights. Use white to blend and smooth out the colors. Dark green on the borders draws the viewer to the subject.